Rainforest Cafe, San Francisco, California.
Are you waiting?
Excuse me, it's a Dover Impulse. Good cab. It has the sensors. Let's go up to 3. 3's closed, so we're not going to spend too much time up there. Can't really see it, and here we are. Let's go back down to 1. It's the 3rd floor. Actually, let's stop it. No, let's, okay. Look at that, that's interesting. Ooh, the button's falling off. Go back down. And we'll take another ride, why not? Very green cab. Nice carpet. Here down at 1. Going up?
Yeah.
3?
2.
2? Okay. I like elevators.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm just taking a video. You guys go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Go. Can't really see the indicator, but and there's a certificate. Here it opens, and here's the call station. Very interesting. Oh. Oh, it has the bumper. I didn't notice that from before. I don't see it. Oh, there's the interlock. I can't tell what kind it is. Look down the shaft. Let's see if it goes anywhere. Can I go down? Interesting. ADA compliant. It's a call station down here. Oh, I didn't notice that. It's cool. There it goes.